हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तीन चार लेक्चर पहले इंटीग्रेशन के 3-4 लेक्चर पहले मैंने एक या दो लेक्चर मैंने मॉडुलस का यूट्यूब चैनल पे डाला था। अगर आपने वो लेक्चर देखा होगा तो वो लेक्चर जो था वो मॉडुलस का मॉडुलस क्या है और मॉडुलस के प्रॉपर्टीज से रिलेटेड है। मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि मैं इस चैप्टर को कंप्लीट करूँ और उस किसी भी चैप्टर को कंप्लीट करने के लिए थ्योरी के बाद उसका प्रॉब्लम करना बहुत जरूरी होता है। सो अब हम लोग इसके कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स को डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं ताकि आप इसकी थ्योरी को बहुत अच्छे से समझ सकते हैं। इसीलिए मैंने आज का जो सेशन है, आज का जो लेक्चर है वो इसके प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए रखा है। अगर आपको कभी भी लॉगरिथम का प्रॉब्लम्स को डील करना है, अगर आप चाह रहे हैं कि मैं लॉगरिथम का लॉगरिथम नहीं, अगर आप चाह रहे हैं कि मैं कभी भी मॉडुलस से रिलेटेड सवाल बनाऊं तो आपको मॉडुलस का प्रॉपर्टी याद होना चाहिए। इफ यू वांट टू सॉल्व और डील द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ मॉडुलस then you must remember the properties of modulus as well as the basic definition of modulus. First of all, when we see a problem of modulus, then we use directly its properties. Sometimes, if we do not use the properties of modulus directly, then we use its basic concept. Then the problem will be easily solved. You can see here how can I solve this. You can analyze after watching this video how can I deal with this problem. So hello students, you can see here I am going to discuss some related problems of modulus. So number 1, solution. Because we have to solve, so we have to write solution. First number, 3x minus 4, modulus of 3x minus 4 is equal to half. You can see here is the term which is written in the modulus, and here is the term which is constant, but this is positive constant. You can directly use the property number 8. You can we have already read as mod of x is equal to positive number, then something is equal to either plus or minus that positive number. So you can write 3x minus 4 is equal to either plus or minus half. So after simplifying, we will get 3x is equal to plus minus half plus 4, and this is equal to plus half plus 4 or minus half plus 4, and this is equal to 9 by 2, and this is equal to 7 by 2. Finally, x is equal to 3 by 2 or 7 by 6, and this is the final answer. So here we use the direct property of modulus. Now I am going to number 2, solution. X plus 1 mod of x plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 2. Now simplifying this, we can write x plus 1 mod of x plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 2, and this is equal to 0, and we already know that the modulus of that number which is 0 means that number must be 0. The modulus of x plus 1 is 0 is possible only when x plus 1 is 0. That's why x is equal to minus 1 is the final answer. So you can see the number 3, solution given. What is given in the problem? The problem is sorry, there is a mistake on problem. minus 1. Here we can write a modulus. We have to write a mod of x minus 1. So the problem is x minus 1 mod of x minus 1 plus 2 whole modulus is equal to 1. Hello students, you can see this is the term x minus 1 and which is taken in the modulus. The modulus of any term is non-negative and then we use plus and then we add plus 2. This is non-negative plus 2 means this is positive, and you know that there is no impact of modulus sign on the positive number. So you can remove this modulus sign and you can write x minus 1 mod of x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1, or you can simplify this x minus 1 mod of x minus 1 is equal to minus 1. If you see very consciously, then you can see that mod of something is equal to minus 1, and you already know that the modulus of any number whenever you want to take never be equal to minus 1. It means this is a wrong statement, and because this is a wrong statement, so we always find no solution. That's why here x is 5 means no solution. So in this case you directly use no solution. Now you can see number 4 solution. What is given? X minus 3 mod of x minus 3 greater than minus 1. Sometimes you have to ask a questions directly. Then to solve this question we do not write any steps. You direct its answer in one step. Like here, you can see that this is the modulus of x, and here is a sign of inequality greater than minus 1. And we already know that every term of modulus is greater than equal to 0. So obviously, every term of modulus is always greater than a negative term. So here we can write directly its answer. This is universal truth. So every statement which is universally true, it gives a solution which is called real solution. So you can write here x is real solution, means x belongs to minus infinity to plus infinity open interval. This is the final answer. So you cannot solve any to this, and you do not have to write any steps. You directly use it. You directly write its final answer. So the next question, solution. The next question is 34 plus 21x minus x square, and this is the quadratic expression, and which is taken in a modulus and less than or equal to minus 1. You can also see here, this is the term which is taken in modulus, and here is the symbol less than equal to minus 1. Means it is either equal to plus minus 1 or less than minus 1, and both the statements are wrong. So here the solution is 5. This implies x is equal to 5 means no solution. So these are very simple problems of modulus. You can see. Next you can see number 6 solution. given, what is given on the board? 4 minus thrice x mod of 4 minus thrice x less than equal to half. Here you can directly use the property number here. So you can write this is equal to 4 minus 3x greater than equal to minus half less than equal to plus half. You can directly use the property. Here minus half minus 4 less than equal to minus 3 less than equal to half minus 4. After simplifying we will get minus 9 by 2 minus 3x. Here we get minus 7 by 2. Now dividing this term by minus 3, and we know that minus 3 is negative, so inequality sign changes. So it becomes 3 by 2. Here already the sign less than equal to, so it becomes greater than or equal to. Here we will get only x. The sign, this sign always becomes reverse, so it becomes greater than equal to, and here is 7 by 6. Now you can write this in ascending order. It is written in the reverse order, so we can write in actual order. So we have to write x greater than equal to 7 by 6 and less than equal to 3 by 2. You can put this as an answer, or you can write x belongs to 7 by 6, 3 by 2, close interval. This is the final answer. So don't be panic and don't be afraid on watching the question of modulus. These questions are very easy and you can deal with very easily if you know the property or the basic concept of modulus. Likewise, you can see the other problems which are written in the board. You can see here. Number 7, solution given 2x minus x square minus 3 mod is equal to 1. Here you can see the modulus of this is equal to 1. So you can write 2x minus x square minus 3 is equal to either plus or minus 1. Here we get x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x plus 3 either plus or minus 1 is equal to 0. Either x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x square minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here we get two quadratic equations. This is a quadratic equation and this is another quadratic equation. Now we have to solve these two quadratic equations. Here we first of all we find its discriminant. What is the value of b? b is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 2 whole square minus 4ac. Here is a and here is c. c is equal to 4. So it becomes plus 4 or minus 16, that is minus 12, which is negative, means roots are real, means roots are imaginary. Here we can also check the value. Here b is equal to b square minus 2 ka square minus 4ac. a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 2. So this is equal to 4 minus 8 and this is equal to minus 4. This is also negative value. So this gives roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. तो फाइनली we see that हम लोग देखते हैं कि दोनों ही केस में जो रूट्स है वो इमेजिनरी आ रहा है. और हम लोग जो सॉल्यूशन कर रहे हैं वो रियल प्ले कर रहे हैं। इसका मतलब इस इक्वेशन का जो एक इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है मॉडुलस के टर्म में, उस इक्वेशन का कोई भी सॉल्यूशन रियल सॉल्यूशन नहीं है। सो यू कैन राइट x इज इक्वल टू या x इज इक्वल टू 5 एंड 5 मीन्स नो सॉल्यूशन। या you can see तो आपने देखा कि मैं एक एक सवाल बना रहा हूँ और कितने इजी वे में बना रहा हूँ। इसलिए आप भी चाहें तो मॉडुलस के सवाल को बहुत इजी वे में बना सकते हैं। बस आपको उसका बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट और जो 10 प्रॉपर्टीज मैंने लिखाए हैं, मैंने बताया है, वो आपको याद होनी चाहिए। अब मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ आता हूँ। अगला जो सवाल है वो है आपका नंबर 1, सॉल्यूशन given mod of x plus x cube is equal to, you can see here we can't apply its property directly, so here to solve this problem we have to use its concept. And what is the concept? That is definition of mod of x. we know that mod of x is equal to x if x greater than equal to minus x if x less than. So we use this concept to solve this problem. So here we will solve this problem case wise because there are two cases in this in the concept of mod of x, here the definition of mod of x. So we can deal with this problem case wise. So we can take case number first. What is the first case? Here you can see this is the case. These are the case. If x greater than equal to 0, this implies mod of x is equal to x. So problem becomes x plus x cube is equal to 0. Or x we can take common x, so it remain 1 plus x square is equal to 0. Here there are two factors, either x is equal to 0 or x square plus 1 is equal to 0. This is not possible for any real x, and here is 0. And one thing is remembered here, if you deal any problem case wise, then the solution must be taken under case. मेरा कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि जब भी आप किसी क्वेश्चन को केस वाइज डील कर रहे हैं, कोई केस लेकर के बना रहे हैं, तो उस सिचुएशन में जो भी आंसर आपको लास्ट में मिलेंगे, कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि वो आंसर आपका ऑथेंटिक हो। वो आंसर तभी ऑथेंटिक होगा जब वो आंसर आपके लिए हुए केस को फुलफिल करेगा। मैंने यहाँ कौन सा केस लिया? मैंने केस लिया x जो है वो ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0 है। एंड जब हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं तो हमने एक सॉल्यूशन, हम लोगों को एक सॉल्यूशन मिला जो कि x बराबर 0 है, और क्योंकि 0 आपके केस में शामिल है इसलिए ये 0 आपका सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा। आपने देखा यहां मैंने लिखा है x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0, बट इसको मैंने क्रॉस कर दिया। इसका मतलब ये है कि यहां से कोई रियल सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा, मतलब वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू फाइंड द इमेजिनरी सॉल्यूशन हियर। if we solve this we will get imaginary solution, but here we deal only real valued solution, only real solution. So we cross this equation and we tick this solution because this solution comes under our case. Likewise, you can take another case. So you can take case number 2. What is the case number 2? X less than 0. In this case, mod of x is equal to minus x, you can see here. So the question becomes minus x plus x cube is equal to 0. After solving, we will get minus x 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Here there are two factors, so you can take either or. Either minus x is equal to 0 or 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to plus 1 minus 1. Now you can see there are three solutions here. In case number 2, if we solve this problem, we will get three solutions. One is 0, one is minus 1 and one is plus 1. You can, you tell me what will be the correct solution. You can say that, sir, the correct solution will be minus 1 because of this case. Because what is the case? The case is x less than 0. It means negative solution is the actual solution. We will cross for plus 1 and we will also cross 0. If 0 is the solution of this equation, then 0 must be come in either of the cases. So don't be panic and don't be afraid why we can take 0 in this case, because 0 is the solution. So you have already seen that 0 is also 0 also came in previous case. So finally you can say that answer is hence x is equal to 0 and minus 1. This is the final answer. So you can see this is the simple problems, and however this is a simple problem, but you can take it very simply. If you take it very simply, then you can't solve this problem. These are simple problem, but these are categorized as conceptual problem. Without knowing this concept, without going this process, we can't solve this type of problem. So hello students, view and listen and understand what strategy is going on to solve this problem. Now we are going to solve the remaining two problems. Number 9. Solution. Given x square minus 1, the mod of x square minus 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here you can also solve this problem as the previous problem, because you can't directly use the property of modulus here. So here we have to take it, we have to deal with case wise. Before going to case, we have to factorize this term. Here you can see that this is a quadratic expression. So you can write x minus 1 into x plus 1 mod plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. The case is either greater than 0 or less than equal to 0. So here we have to write the case. We must have to know the sign scheme of rational expression. Here there is a rational expression. You can write this by one. You must know what is the sign scheme of rational expression. In next lecture, I will discuss how to write the sign of a rational expression. Means we are going to discuss the sign scheme of rational expression. But here there is a use of sign scheme, so we have to show you. So see here, take x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to, so x is equal to plus 1 or minus 1, and this is a real number 9. You know that what is real number 9? It starts from minus infinity and goes to plus infinity. There are two numbers, one is minus 1, other is plus 1. In quadratic expression, if the coefficient of x square is positive, then negative sign is put in between there. So here there is a positive sign, so in between minus 1 and plus 1 we will get negative sign, and on other side of that roots we will get positive sign. So here is positive sign and here is positive sign. So we see here is negative sign and here is positive sign. So there will be two cases. There will be two cases. First case we will take positive sign. So the first case is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. Minus infinity open, minus 1 open. If we take less than sign, then we will take open. Union 1 to infinity. Here 1 greater than equal to 1, एक से बड़ा है, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे बराबर का साइन भी ले रहा हूँ, मतलब इक्वल टू का भी साइन ले रहा हूँ, और इन्फिनिटी हमेशा ओपन होता है, इसलिए ओपन कर देंगे. This is the first case, and in this case you see that the sign of x square plus 1 is positive. So this implies x square minus 1 modulus is equal to simply x square minus 1, because in this case x square minus 1 is what? Positive. So you can take modulus of x square minus 1 is simply x square minus 1. Then move ahead. In this case, the question becomes, x square minus 1 into, plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we take x minus 1, x plus 1 common. So it is here x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Or x plus 1, here is x is equal to, either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1. Now you can see here 0 and minus 1, both these solutions are not contained in this case. So both 0 and minus 1 are not the solution of the given equation in this case. So now we take the next case number 2. What is the next case? The negative sign. So here we take x belongs to minus 1 से बड़ा और बराबर और plus 1 से छोटा. In this case x square minus 1 is negative, that's why it becomes minus x square plus 1, and the problem becomes minus x square plus 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here you can take minus x plus 1 into x plus 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here x plus 1 is common, so we get minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0 or minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 2. Here you can see that 2 is not the solution because 2 does not contain in this case, but minus 1 is the solution because minus 1 is taken in this case. So final solution of this equation is x is equal to minus 1. This is the only one solution of this case. So hello students, now there is a question number 10, and I left this for you, and this is your homework. You can do yourself and apply the concept of modulus and the properties of modulus which is to be used. You can use here and solve this. And आपने देखा कि किस तरह से हम मॉडुलस के सवाल को डील करते हैं। सो अगले सेक्शन में मैं आपके लिए कुछ और भी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रॉब्लम्स लाऊंगा और आपको दिखाऊंगा कि मॉडुलस का सवाल कितना इंटरेस्टिंग होता है और कैसे इसको इंटरेस्टिंगली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, वीडियो देखने के लिए, सपोर्ट करने के लिए। सो थैंक यू।